What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, as always, man, let's get right into it, bro. Got a Nike dunk for y'all, man. Regular box, no special packaging, regular old dunk, man. These joints haven't got a big release just yet, but I found them pop up at one of my local stores, man. The tag reads Women Nike Dunk Low, Red Stardust, and Rugged Orange. 6.5 women, 5Y. Let's check these joints out, man. See how y'all are feeling about them. I think I like these joints. Now, here we have the Women's Nike Dunk Low and the Red Stardust colorway. Now, right off the rip, man, I like this joint. I think the ladies will like this joint. And I think it's a pretty good shoe moving into the fall, man. But let's check out these details and see how you feel about them. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, it comes laced in the Red Stardust colorway going across that toe cap there. White going across the toe box. Pure white laces, pure white tongue. With the Red Stardust tongue tag with the white Nike stitched in. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, it has the Red Stardust hits going all the way around the toe, through the eye stage and through the back of the shoe. Has the Rugged Orange on the swoosh, pure white on that midsole, Rugged Orange going across that outsole. Rugged Orange is like another shade of like burnt orange, if you ask me. Getting into the back of the shoe, man, it has the Red Stardust colorway here, white hits here in the middle, Red Stardust on the back heel tab with the white Nike embroidered in. On the inside of the shoe, it's the same as the outside, man, with the Red Stardust pretty much going all the way around, with the Rugged Orange swoosh, pure white midsole, as I said before, with the Rugged Orange going across the outsole. Now, this shoe also has the Rugged Orange going across the sock liner and going across the insole as well, with the white Nike embroidered in, pure white laces, man. This is a really good shoe, especially for the ladies going into the fall. This Red Stardust is giving like almost Rose Whisper vibes. It's kind of giving pinkish, not quite red, but I can see the color being a Red Stardust. Definitely a good color, and it matches really well with that burnt orange, Rugged Orange vibe going with it as well. This reminds me of like the Thanksgiving dunk that released maybe like last year or 2 years ago that had like a lot of burnt orange in it, and it's kind of giving that same vibe, almost right around that same time of the year. But this one is a good one, especially going into the fall, man. Like I said earlier, this is women's sizing, so the biggest size would be a women 12, men's 10.5. So if you're a 10.5 and down and men, you definitely can rock these joints. And of course, for the ladies and the young kids that size 3.5 and up, this one will be for you guys. So you guys let me know, man. This is off the first look, your first quick opinion, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this Red Stardust colorway, man. Just leave a comment down below for me. Now, getting into the right shoe, man, just the same as the left, man. It has the Red Stardust going all the way around the shoe with the burnt orange hits on the swoosh on the inside and on the outsole as well. The pure white on the midsole matches their white side panel and the white toe box. White laces, white tongue, everything pure white with the two tones of the Red Stardust and the Rugged Orange or burnt orange, whichever one you want to call it. But this is a really dope shoe, bro. I think I like this joint a lot. If I could fit them in, I definitely would try to grab these joints, man. They're super neutral. That Red Stardust isn't really like super pink to where it's like giving off like a women's shoe all the way. So it definitely could be rocked by the guys as well, man. It's a good shoe, man. It's a good shoe. Nike have been pushing these dunks out like crazy. And I don't think these joints have gotten no official release date. I found these joints at my local Finish Line yesterday and decided to grab them, man. Just give you guys a review on them. They haven't got their big release just yet, like at Foot Lockers and Nike and things like that. So you can expect these to be at a lot more stores soon. But as of now, man, maybe check your Finish Line JD Sports. You may be able to come across them early, technically kind of early since they haven't received that worldwide release just yet. But we got them right now, man. Just want to give you guys a quick look at them. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, retail is 110 bucks. In Texas, that's 120 bucks out the door with taxes. Like I said, I got them locally, so I didn't have to pay shipping or anything like that. I know Nordstrom might have released these joints online already, maybe like 1 or 2 more places, but mainly these haven't had a big release just yet. As far as resale prices, man, you can find these joints for like 160 to 180 in the bigger size, maybe like closer to 200 in the bigger sizes right now. The smaller sizes are like 150 to 160, so definitely still affordable. But like I always say when I give out these like first looks and like these technically early pairs, even though I got them from a retail store, The price will go down once they get a bigger release. So like I said, right now these are 160, 180, maybe 200 in that big size. But you can expect these joints to drop down to like that 150 range across the board, man. It is a nice shoe, but it'll probably be slightly limited since it's a women's shoe. The sizing won't be as vast. In the bigger sizes, you won't get a bunch of those sizes available. But you can expect the prices to come down just a little bit. And assume that they don't restock these joints a whole bunch like they've been doing Rose Whispers lately. These probably will sit around that 150 mark, and they'll probably go up just a little later in the year and into like November, December. I think it's a good fall, good winter shoe. I think this one will go up just a little bit later. Not too much. It won't be anything crazy like the bone beiges or anything like that. But I think these will hold their value around that 150 range right when they release, maybe a little lower, but I think that 150 price ranges pretty much will be accurate with these joints. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this shoe, you're not getting anything crazy as far as material. This shoe did not get the PRM premium price tag or the premium tag on this joint, so they didn't go all out, man. This is your regular dunk leather, your Rose Whisper, Panda, anything that gets that constant restock. It's the same type of material, nothing crazy there. But as far as like quality control, man, there are no crazy flaws, no stitching errors or anything like that. You do get the glue stains that we always get on Nike Dunks, man. It just kind of comes natural, and it comes like expected per se with Dunks now, man. You're not gonna get any like crazy quality. You're always gonna get the glue stains from where they bond the upper to the midsole. But other than that, it's a good shoe, man. It's a Dunk. It's $100, $110. You can't really expect to get a crazy quality shoe with that price tag. Now, as far as extras and accessories, man, we didn't get anything, no extra lace or anything like that. Just the white laces that come factory installed. Maybe you can find a set of burnt orange laces to throw in these joints just to make the swoosh in the inside of the shoe pop. But other than that, man, white laces, $110, decent quality, okay materials, man, your regular Dunk materials, but a really, really nice colorway in my opinion, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below, man. Just let me know how you guys are feeling about this colorway. Is it a cop for you? You dropping, you dripping, flipping, skipping? You grabbing these for your kid, grabbing these for your lady, man. Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about these joints. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this red Stardust colorway and this Nike Dunk Low. This is a women's shoe. They haven't got a big release yet, so stay tuned to your local stores, local boutiques, your Finish Lines and Shoe Palaces and things like that. They tend to not follow like the big release day with Dunk, so you may be able to grab them there technically earlier than anywhere else. So just check your local malls, your local stores. You may be able to grab these joints if you really, really want to. Other than that, these joints should release in about a month or so. And it's a good colorway if you're asking me, man. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, got a slightly early review of this red Stardust colorway and the Nike Dunk Low, man. Peace.